Hello guys, how to change your Facebook profile name? You can easily change your name on your Facebook profile. To do so, launch Facebook on your iPhone and here click on three horizontal dot from the top right bottom and choose settings. Go to Facebook settings space and here tap on it's and here you tap on profile and tap on profile name, Facebook profile name and tap on name and here you can change your Facebook profile name. Change the name and finally tap on review change and choose a name and tap on save changes. Now your name on your Facebook profile page successfully changed.